Good morning, students. It gives me immense pleasure to talk to you students through video presentations like this as usual. In this video presentation, I'll continue with some more problems on maximum minimum. Just take a simple example. Okay, f of x equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Find the maximum or minimum values, if any, for this particular function. That is the question given. Okay, I am not going to use any derivative etc. here. It's a simple logical question. 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 for every x element of R. Okay, therefore there is no maximum value. There is no maximum value here. There is no maximum value. Minimum value is 3, which is obtained when x is equal to half, because this will become 0. When x is equal to half, this will become 0. Let me repeat. 2x minus 1 whole square is always positive 0 for every real number x. Therefore, the maximum values, there is no maximum value means infinity. I will never consider infinity to be a real number. I think you know very well. Therefore, there is no maximum value. Minimum value is 3, which is obtained when x is equal to half. Similarly, think about maximum minimum value of minus x minus 3 whole square plus 15, let us say. Okay, just listen, logical question. This is again logical question. X minus 3 whole square greater than or equal to 0 for every x element of R. Okay, therefore minus x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 0 for every x element of R. Therefore, there is no minimum value. There is no minimum value. There is no minimum value. Okay, and maximum value is 15, which is obtained when x equal to 3. This becomes 0. 0 plus 15 becomes 14. Okay, it's easy to do. In fact, it's easier for anybody to follow. Okay, then just listen. Find the absolute maximum absolute minimum value of f of x equal to x square, let us say minus 2 comma 2. Okay, now I already told you in one of the videos, for absolute maximum, absolute minimum, I'll find dy by dx and find the roots of dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, if let us say let them be equal to alpha beta, and if it is closed interval a comma b is given, out of f of a, f of alpha, f of beta, f of beta, f of alpha, f of a, f of b, f of beta, the maximum value is absolute maximum, minimum value is absolute minimum. Similar way here, this is x square. Okay, then f dash of x equal to 2x. F dash of x equal to 0 implies 2x equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Now f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. F of 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. F of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, absolute maximum is 4, which is obtained in two places, namely minus 2 and 2. And absolute minimum value is 0. There will be no negative value here automatically. Actually, it's a perfect square, it will never take a negative value. Okay, then think of this example once again. It's a realistic maximum minimum problem. Okay, from a square sheet, just listen, from a square sheet of 18 centimeters. Okay, squares are cut off from each of the corners. Okay, and the remaining flaps are folded up to form an open box. Find the side of the square to be cut off for the volume of the box made to be maximum possible. Let me repeat, the square sheet of 18 centimeters is given. Okay, I need to take away squares from each corner. I am supposed to take squares from each corner like this. Okay, I'll get a situation like this. Now I'll fold the remaining flaps to form an open box. Okay, find the side of the square to be cut off for the volume of the box made to be maximum possible. Let the side of the square being cut off, be x centimeters. Okay, this is x, this is x. Therefore, this will become obviously 18 minus 2x. Therefore, length of the box made is equal to L is equal to 18 minus 2x, or you can even say 2 into 9 minus x meters, centimeters. It's already given as centimeters. Okay, breadth is also is equal to the same way. I'm taking a 2x on either side, 1x on either side. Okay, therefore this will be again 18 minus 2x. This is 2 into 9 minus x. Then height. This portion is being folded up. Therefore height is equal to h is equal to x centimeters. Okay, therefore volume is equal to V is equal to LBH, which is 4 into 9 minus x whole square into x. Therefore V is 4 into, this is 81 minus 18x plus x square into x. Use a minus b whole square formula. Okay, therefore V becomes, this is 324x minus 72x square plus x cube. Am I right? Sorry, 4x cube. Okay, 4 into 81 becomes 324. 4x into 81 is 324x. 4 into minus 18 is minus 72. Minus 72x square. Okay, plus 4x cube. Now dv by dx is equal to 0, implies 324 minus 144x plus 12x square. Now d square v by dx square is equal to minus 144 plus 24x. Now dv by dx is equal to 0, implies 12x square minus 144x plus 324 is equal to 0. Let me check whether I can take 12x common, x square minus 12x plus how many 12s are there? 27 is correct. 2 12s are 24, 7 12s are 84. 24 plus 8 is 32, it's correct. Okay, therefore I can split the middle term. X square minus 3x minus 9x plus 27 is equal to 0. Implies x into x minus 3 minus 9 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 3 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Implies x equal to 3 or x equal to 9. But this is not possible. Why? When x is equal to 9, it is made into two pieces. I won't be able to think of such a situation. Therefore, when x is equal to 3, let me proceed here. D square v by dx square is minus 144 plus 24 into 3, which is anyway negative. Therefore, when x is equal to 3, dv by dx is equal to 0 and d square v by dx square is negative, implies v is maximum when x is equal to 3. So give the conclusion in wordings. Therefore, side of the square to be cut off should be 3 centimeters for the volume of the box made to be maximum possible. Let me repeat. I have chosen side of the square to be cut off being x centimeters. Then length of the box made is 18 minus 2x is 2 into 9 minus x. Breadth is also 2 into 9 minus x. Okay. Then height is, this portion is being folded up, therefore height becomes x. For volume becomes 4 into 9 minus x whole square into x. 4 into 81 minus 18x plus x square into x. 4x into 81 is 324x. 4x into minus 18x is minus 72x square. 4x into x square is 4x cube. First derivative becomes 324 minus 144x plus 12x square. D square v by dx square is minus 144 plus 24x. dv by dx is 0. I will take 12 as common here. X square minus 12, 12s are 144. 12 into 27 becomes 324. Yeah, therefore I can split the middle term. After splitting the middle term, I get x is 3 or x is 9. But x is equal to 9 is ruled out because when x is 9, it's made into two equal pieces, which is of no use. Okay, such a situation won't arise at all. When x is equal to 3, second derivative becomes 144 plus 72, which is negative. When x is 3, first derivative is 0, second derivative is negative, implies v is maximum when x equal to 3. Therefore, give the conclusion in wordings. Therefore, side of the square to be cut off should be of 3 centimeters for the volume of the box made to be maximum possible. Volume of the box made to be maximum possible. That's what you are supposed to do anyway. That's the way you should do. Okay, I think it's clear. Okay, then there is one more problem. Just listen. There is another problem. Show that f of x equal to e power x, okay, do not have maximum value, maximum or minimum value. Okay, do not have maxima or minima. Okay, just listen. F of x equal to e power x. F dash of x is also e power x. For to have local maximum, local minimum, the common condition is first derivative should be 0. Now e power x not equal to 0 for any x element of R. Okay, e power x will never become 0. Therefore, f of x equal to e power x has no maxima or minima. You can't get maximum value or minimum value. I repeat, f of x equal to e power x, f dash of x is e power x. To have local maxima or local minima, the first common condition for both is first derivative should be 0. But e power x not equal to 0 for any x element of R. Therefore, I can't have the first derivative to be 0. Therefore, I can't think of maxima or minima. Therefore, f of x equal to e power x has no maxima or minima. Okay, for those who are interested in watching further videos is being uploaded, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. You will get automatic notification when new video is being uploaded in the channel. Thank you students for patient watching. I'll continue the different topic in a different video. Thank you. In the above recording, there are just two small corrections. F of x equal to e power x does not have maxima or minima. By mistake, it's only an English mistake. There's nothing related to mathematics. It's just by mistake it is said as f of x equal to e power s do not have. It should be does not have maxima or minima. It is no way related to mathematics. And secondly, the previous second but the last problem, in a from a square matrix of side 18 centimeters, squares are cut off. It's wrongly said as simply square from a square matrix of 18 centimeters, of side 18 centimeters. Make the correction and learn. It's not a big mistake, but still I'll tell both the corrections. F of x equal to e power x does not have. It's only an English error. And secondly, from a square tin sheet of side 18 centimeters. Okay, that side is missing while I was dictating the problem. Thank you.